Hey everyone, and welcome back to the show. We are back for our 9th episode already.
Number 9. Can you believe it?
Wow. Time really does fly when you're having fun, right?
Yeah.
And we are having a blast exploring all this crazy AI stuff.
That's for sure. Tons to talk about today, too.
Absolutely. We're going to be diving into some seriously interesting concepts like the Jevons Paradox.
Jevons Paradox.
Yeah, it's this economic theory that suggests that when technology increases efficiency, we don't actually end up consuming less.
Oh, yeah, I think I've heard of that.
Basically, we end up finding new ways to use that extra capacity. And when you apply that to AI, it could mean that even though AI automates some jobs, it could also lead to even more new ones.
Right, because it can drive down costs and boost demand, which could create a whole bunch of new opportunities.
Exactly. It's like, think about the printing press. It made books way easier to produce, but it didn't put scribes out of business, right?
No, instead, it created a whole new industry. Editors, typesetters, booksellers, the whole shebang.
Totally. So while AI might change the job landscape, it's not necessarily going to wipe it all out.
More like it's going to reshape it. And who knows what those new jobs will look like, right?
Right. It's going to be interesting to see how it all plays out. But before we get too carried away, let's decode some of that AI jargon.
Ooh, good idea. I've been meaning to ask about this one. LSTM. What in the world is long short-term memory?
Yeah, that one sounds a bit intimidating.
Yeah.
So LSTM is basically a type of neural network, and it's really good at remembering information over a long period of time.
Ah, like a super memory for AI.
Precisely. Let's say you're using AI to analyze financial data. LSTM helps it remember, like, market trends from the entire past year, not just today's numbers.
So it can make more accurate predictions about, like, stock prices or something?
Exactly. It's like having an AI financial advisor with total recall.
Haha. I could use one of those.
Don't we all? But okay, one last thing before we move on. What happens after you train an AI? What's all this post-training stuff about?
Ah, right. So post-training is like, sending your AI to grad school.
Okay, I like that analogy.
You're essentially refining and optimizing the AI model. You fine-tune its parameters, give it a bunch of new data to test on, and basically just make sure it's performing at its absolute best.
So it's constantly learning and improving.
Yep. Like any good student. Okay, are we ready to jump into some AI news?
Hit me with it. What's been happening out there in the AI world?
Well, OpenAI's been busy as always, rolling out some cool new features for ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, everyone's favorite AI chatbot. What have they come up with now?
Well, they've got these new sharing features in Canvas. You can share your ChatGPT conversations and projects with others.
Ooh, that sounds super useful for collaborating on stuff.
Exactly. It's like having a shared AI workspace. Could be a real game changer for teamwork and brainstorming sessions.
Makes sense. So what else has been happening?
Well, AI is also making waves in the sports and entertainment world.
Really? How so?
Apparently, they're using AI to analyze huge amounts of data. We're talking like 220 million data points.
Whoa, it's a lot of data.
It is. And they're using it to, boost revenue. They're analyzing fan behavior, predicting ticket sales, even optimizing ad strategies.
Sounds like they're really taking the guesswork out of things.
Exactly. It's all about understanding the audience and creating better, more engaging experiences.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. Data-driven entertainment, huh? What will they think of next? Okay, anything else?
Oh, yeah, definitely. For all the research junkies out there, DeepSeek and OpenAI have been making some serious progress with RJ distillation and custom AI models.
Those are some pretty technical terms. What's the significance of all that?
Well, they're basically working to streamline AI development, make it faster, more efficient, and easier for people to get involved.
So it could lead to even more innovation in the AI world.
Absolutely. It's a big deal for anyone who's interested in pushing the boundaries of AI.
Got it. So anything else big happening in the AI world?
Well, there's also been a push for more transparency in AI, which is great.
Oh, yeah, that's super important, especially as AI becomes more integrated into our lives.
Right. OpenAI is actually leading the charge here.
Right.
They're starting to share more details about how their AI models actually think.
Oh, wow, that's fascinating. Which model are they focusing on?
The O3 mini model. They're being more open about its decision-making process, which is a huge step in the right direction.
I agree. The more we understand these AI systems, the better equipped we'll be to use them responsibly.
Exactly. And hopefully, other companies will follow suit and start prioritizing transparency.
Absolutely. Now, this next story is kind of ironic, given all this talk about AI and jobs.
Oh, what is it?
Well, Anthropic, which is a pretty big AI company, is actually urging job applicants to not use AI on their applications.
Wait, really? Why would they do that?
They're basically saying that they value human creativity and critical thinking skills in the hiring process. They're concerned about bias and want to make sure candidates are showcasing their authentic selves.
That's an interesting approach. Kind of a practice what you preach kind of thing.
Exactly. And lastly, there's been some buzz about how IQ might not actually be the best way to measure AI.
Oh, yeah, I saw that article. It definitely makes you think.
It does. After all, human intelligence and artificial intelligence are different things, so we might need new ways to evaluate AI.
Absolutely. The old metrics might not be cutting it anymore.
Totally. Okay, before we wrap up, let's talk about some exciting new AI tools.
Ooh, yeah, I'm always up for discovering new AI toys.
Well, get ready to upgrade your toolbox. First up, we have askconcierge.ai.
What's that one all about?
It's pretty cool, actually. It lets you interact with all your different apps using natural language.
So you can just talk to your apps, like a personal assistant.
Pretty much. It can seriously streamline your digital life. And if you're tired of repetitive tasks, you gotta check out lyzr.ai.
lyzr.ai. I don't think I've heard of that one.
It's a lifesaver, trust me. It basically offers a no-code platform and pre-built AI agents to automate all those tedious workflows.
Whoa! Sounds like a dream come true for anyone who hates doing repetitive tasks.
Totally. And for all you researchers out there, kompas.ai can be a huge time saver. It uses AI to help you generate super in-depth reports.
So it takes care of all the boring stuff.
Pretty much. It can even streamline your editing process so you can focus on the big picture.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, I gotta write that one down.
And if you're looking for a real AI powerhouse, the Mistral AI assistant is pretty amazing.
What can it do?
Ooh, all sorts of stuff. It can access real-time information, generate images, write code, even analyze data.
Whoa, that sounds seriously impressive.
It is. And if you need a quick summary on any topic, storm.genie.stanford.edu is basically like a Wikipedia powered by AI.
So it's like a supercharged research tool.
Exactly. It can give you concise overviews on pretty much anything.
Wow, these are some incredible tools, and for those who want it all, there's always cosmichup.me.
Right, one subscription, and you get access to chat, coding, and image generation capabilities.
Talk about a one-stop shop for AI.
And lastly, for all those who want a more personalized news experience, check out justsift.com.
What's so special about that one?
It lets you curate your own news feed, so you're not just at the mercy of algorithms.
Oh, that's cool, so I can finally break free from my filter bubble.
Exactly. And the best part is these are just a handful of the amazing AI tools out there. There are literally over 2,500 more where these came from.
Seriously, 2,500? That's mind-blowing.
It is. If you want to explore the full list, head over to theanavigator.com/list.
Wow, I'm definitely going to check that out. I had no idea there were so many AI tools available.
I know, right? Seems like there's a new one popping up every day.
It's insane how quickly this field is evolving.
It really is.
Yeah.
And it's clear that these tools are becoming more and more essential for staying ahead of the curve.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see what the future holds for AI.
Me neither. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of the AI landscape.
It's been a blast, as always.
And as always, we encourage you to subscribe to the AI Navigator on your favorite podcast platform to stay up to date on all the latest AI news, insights, and tools. We'll see you next time.
See you then.
Bye, everyone.